put this in a table here. I'm sorry, put this on an X and Y axis here. We want to just kind of sketch our X and Y axis, and we want to talk about what's where. Well, hopefully you're already thinking that this is the texts along the X axis, or the number of texts, hashtag text. And then here we have the cost that we've been talking about of the bill. Okay, so basically just got to think about this. We've been talking about 40 texts and more. So I'm just going to put these in tens up to about 50 here, and we should be able to see what's going on beyond that. So there's 40, here's 50, go to 60 is fine. So those are the number of texts. And then along here, we got to think about how expensive this is going to get. Well, we talked about 27 being for 40 texts, so we can go up to like 30 bucks, 40 bucks, that's fine. So 10, a little bit of a gap there, 20, 30, and then up to about 40 bucks. Just make sure you're showing what that is. So this is the cost of our bill on the y-axis. So now my biggest advice to you is just start plotting ordered pairs that make sense to you. For $0, we said it was actually going to be 12 bucks because you're paying for the service, even if you don't send a text. I guess it's possible we could have an open circle there if you don't actually pay, if you don't send any texts, but that's negligible there, so hopefully you understand that. But 20 texts is also going to be included here at 12 bucks. So it's going to be constant for this first interval here, a constant of $12. But right there, I would love for you to put these ordered pairs in here. That's what I'm trying to see, is you can show me you know everything by putting these ordered pairs in, 2012. All right, and then we go up to, the next one up is to 40. You know, just jump up to the end of the next interval, 40. So now say to yourself, okay, so what is 40? Well, if I have 40, I'm in this middle interval. No, wait, I'm here. And we actually already found it. It's going to be $27 because we found that in the last video. So over 40, up about $27. 40 and 27. And since it's the same rate, 0.75 for all of those texts there, this is going to be a linear relationship up to there. Wow, that is a straight line. Nice job. All right, so now moving on, that's at 40.27. We want to go to something beyond that. All right, so what would that be? I don't know, just get yourself another value because it's an open-ended here. It's greater than or equal to. So if I just thought about 50, how could I actually evaluate 50? Well, let's see here. Oh, I would do 27, and then I would add to that 1 times 50 minus 40. Do you see I'm going right in here? Well, that's only 10. All of those 10 texts will be $10, $1 each. So that's going to give me $37. So I go over 50, and I'm going to jump up here to 37-ish. And then I just connect that, and I'm going to bust through and say we keep doing that. Why do I keep doing that? Because it's an open-ended interval here. Anything greater than 40 will be at that rate. All right, so there's the graph there. So just like I did right here, the last part here would be how much would you be charged if you sent 36 texts? You just got to look in your interval. I'm in the middle interval there. So that means for 36 texts, I need to go in that center interval right here. So 12 plus 0.75 times x minus 20, or 36 minus 20. So now I have 12 plus 0.75, times 16. All right, so 16, that's going to be 12. So 12 plus 12 is going to be $24. $24 is the amount it would cost for that. And then this one, not bad at all. We're in the last interval, which you can see actually right here. We're in the last one because we're greater than 40. So then that one would just be for 52 texts. We would basically evaluate that function. So 27 plus 1 times 52 minus 40. Well, that's a grand total of 12 texts times $1. So 27 plus the 12, and we will get 39.